Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute Hobbit door, which can be a nice gift to anybody who loves Lord of the Rings. This miniature is fairly simple and doesn't need many materials. First, make a draft to see how everything is gonna look and what colors you're gonna use. You'll need a small wooden box, a 5mm thick foam board, 2 pieces of cardboard, the yellowish is a bit thicker than the grey, and decoration stickers. If you can't find those exact stickers, use stickers for nail art, or just draw a decoration. I use acrylic paints, the names of the shades are in the description, and oil paints for shading. I use 2 glues. The green one is stronger, but be careful, don't use it directly on the foam board because it dissolves it. So instead use just any regular paper glue. You will need modeling grass and flowers. You can find these on Amazon or AliExpress under the name modeling grass. Also, I used a couple of beads for flower pots and a match for the stool legs, which I forgot to film. Here are the tools, nothing out of the ordinary. Also, I used a drawing compass, but you can just trace a round base of a bottle to make a perfect circle. Watch your fingers while working with sharp tools. Here we use a mechanical pencil or any thin and sharp stick because we want to carve into the foam board. That's the thicker cardboard, because we wanted to have volume to look somewhat like wood. Here are the measurements that I used, but of course everything depends on the side of your box, so you still need to measure everything accordingly. The oil paint must get into the furrows we created before. Here again, we carve into the cardboard with the blunt side of the knife. Oil paint fills the furrows. Then we remove the excessive paint. To make it easier, you can dilute the paint with more oil, and for that you can just use any cooking oil you have in your kitchen. Anyways, a damp napkin does the job. Then we want to highlight the color with acrylic paints, but make sure to use a flat brush with dry paint. This way you'll get the texture, and the blue paint won't get into the furrows. Okay, so here I noticed that the brown of the wall kinda fades inside the brown of the box, and I decided to add some highlights. Again, I used white and ochre oil paints on a very dry brush. After finishing, I realized that the lid doesn't contribute anything to the picture and decided to unscrew it. Now it looks much better. Well, if you have any questions or suggestions, let's talk about it in the comment section. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. See you next time. Bye!